Last year, the growth target was 5%, and China exceeded its target, reaching 5.2%. I believe that China will continue to be a very important contributor to global development, a very important contributor to global stability and peace and prosperity.
China has made a tremendous achievement over the past decade since its reform and opening up. Against the backdrop of weak global economic recovery and increasing uncertainties, China's GDP growth target of around 5% could serve as a stabilizing force. It offers a beacon of relative stability amidst global fluctuations, potentially bolstering confidence in international markets.